Here's a tip about 2-day surveillances or multi-day surveillances. If you are blessed enough that your client is willing to give you those hours, here's my tip and suggestion to you. On day one, set up further away from the subject of your investigation. And then on day two, you can move in closer as necessary. You don't want to be too close at first, right? Especially, you're going to be coming back day after day. So here's the thing, unless, and there's an exception, unless you really need to get that person, say, working in the yard or hanging Christmas lights or something like that. But if you think that they're going to be leaving their house, their residence, their apartment, and going someplace, and you're going to be following them, start out further away. In a sense, you really, at the extreme, you just need to be able to see the end of their driveway to watch their car come out and pull off. There's a chance that person could not be the driver, and you end up at the grocery store or the doctor's, wherever it might be, and you discover, oh, this is the wrong person. These things happen, but by and large, look, you're not burned, and you can start over again the next day. So day one, start a little bit further away unless there's extenuating circumstances. Day two, you can move in a little bit closer, not too close, to get the video that you need or to be quicker on moving in the direction their vehicle moves. The real details of this I cover in the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance. If you're serious about surveillance, whether you're doing it now and you want to notch up your game, whether you want to learn about it, the tips, the tricks, everything, get that course. It's 100% money back guaranteed. And the fact of the matter is, you will be a better surveillance person for getting it, because it just becomes deeper in your mind. You're hearing the things audibly. It's a video course online streaming 24/7. So you're seeing things, you're engaging with this. I even have some surveillance exercise ideas for you. If you're more of a kinesthetic learner, you want to go out and practice and in a non-creepy way. That's all in the course there. And remember, you just need to have your mind trigger one time while you're out on surveillance. Larry said this, maybe I better back off a little bit. Larry said that, maybe, oh, I can get this better video. Larry told me about this. One little thing like that can make one case better or keep you from being burned. And really, for the price of the course, for crying out loud, and what the good money you make on surveillances, look, invest in your training, invest in your education, invest in becoming a better person, a better investigator. Check it out over at ShadowAnyone.com. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.